also want to create edits like Fictic, then you've come to the right channel. Today, I'm going to give you the trending Breaking Bad edit project file for free, along with the outro remake. But for that, you need to complete a target of 700 likes. So let's watch the edit.
But you know the business. And I know the chemistry. Yeah, bitch! Oh! Yeah, that did it! Yeah, bitch!
Here is the Breaking Bad project file, where you can add your own clips and create your edit. And this is the project file for the laptop screen edit, where you can change the screen according to your YouTube or Instagram channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.